I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think.
Good evening and welcome back to channel 94593 News. Tonight we have some urgent breaking news. Scientists have recently found a disturbing and looming discovery. A giant asteroid is hurtling towards Earth as we speak. An asteroid is a small body made of rock which orbits the sun, and they're found in the asteroid belt. To put this in perspective, the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs is believed to be about 11 to 81 kilometers in diameter, and this one is 78 kilometers at its longest point. Scientists have called this asteroid etiam, and it could end life on Earth as we know it. However, there's still hope for humanity and all the creatures on this planet. As long as this invention goes to plan, we will all be saved. Our top scientists and engineers have devised a massive instrument to try and deter the asteroid. They have calculated the force of the asteroid by estimating the mass and speed of the asteroid and then multiplying it together to find out how much force it is exerting, so they can know what their invention needs to stand up against. They took into account the 3 laws of motions, and we see an example of that of the second law when they calculated the force. They used Newton's first law by seeing that the asteroid is being moved at a constant speed because it's not being acted on by an external force, and they plan to put that external force in to disrupt the movement of the asteroid. Next, they use the third law by knowing that the asteroid, when the asteroid will make a collision, there will be an equal and opposite reaction, so the device needs to be strong enough to resist that reaction. With their calculations of the mass times the acceleration to find the force, they found that the force was 7.127705 e plus 20. This was found by multiplying the speed of kilometers per hour by mass in kilograms. With this information, the scientists could approximate the amount of strength their device would need to try and deter this collision. The device that they came up with was a slant environmental that would act as a ram, which will cause the asteroid to go off course from Earth and not at Earth. It will push against the asteroid using rockets and be dense enough to withstand the impact. The reason that scientists and engineers chose this plan was because it was less resource intensive than the other ones, and it was more plausible to do within the limited time that we have. They did still have some concerns, however, like how would they provide all the energy to make rockets that could be strong enough to combat the asteroid and boost it, and how thick and how much metal they would need to create this. Currently, etiam is traveling about 103,450 kilometers per hour, and it is going 104.7 million kilometers from Earth. So that means that if etiam was going at a straight path towards Earth, it would hit us in 42 days. Fortunately, it is not, and the path will be altered and it will end up orbiting the Earth for a while until it finally sinks enough to get pulled into Earth and collide. So we still have some use to pair and get ready. Now I'd like to welcome local expert, Mr. Bob John Silvers.
News anchor. Well, we see here that the slant will curve the asteroid away from the Earth, and the rockets will boost against it to prevent it from hitting it back into the Earth. Thank you. And it's very thick and dense, so it'll prevent it from breaking.
Thank you very much. Have a good night.